Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Udemy account. Easy guide step by step clearly. Make sure your phone or computer is connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type udemy.com and press enter. Wait for the Udemy homepage to fully load. Look at the top right corner of the page for the login button. Click the login button to open the sign-in page. On the sign-in page, choose how you want to log in. If you use email, click the option to log in with email. Click inside the email field and type the email address you used for Udemy. Click inside the password field and type your Udemy password carefully. Check for any typing mistakes, especially uppercase and lowercase letters. If you are on a personal device, you can keep yourself signed in if the option appears. Click the login button to submit your details. Wait a few seconds while Udemy verifies your information. If you are asked for a verification code, open your email or phone messages to find it. Enter the verification code exactly as shown and confirm to continue. If you see an error message, recheck your email and password and try again. If you forgot your password, click Forgot Password on the sign-in page. Enter your email address and request a password reset link. Open your email inbox and look for the Udemy password reset email. If you do not see it, check your spam or junk folder. Click the reset link, create a new strong password, and save it. Return to the Udemy login page and sign in using your new password. If you use Google, click Continue with Google and select your Google account. If you use Apple, click Continue with Apple and complete the Apple sign-in steps. If you use Facebook, click Continue with Facebook and allow access if requested. After signing in, confirm you are logged in by checking for your profile icon or name. Click your profile to access My Learning and start your courses. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.